Kowloon Walled City, originally a Chinese military outpost, from the Song dynasty, became a unique political anomaly. Under both Chinese and British rule, left largely ungoverned, it evolved into a densely populated and chaotic urban enclave, known for crime, unregulated structures, and triad activity. Despite its harsh conditions, many residents lived peacefully. The city was demolished in the early 1990s, but it remains a powerful symbol of resilience and a case study in urban density and political ambiguity.
冇錯，即係我哋呢個活質嘅喺翻啲。
Alright, boys and girls, andito ako ngayon sa Kowloon Walled City Park. So dinayo ko to up north ng Kowloon. Kasi kanina sobrang init. Yan, so may mga rules din siya. Sobrang init kasi kanina kaya hindi ko pinuntahan eh. And right now I'm here. Let's explore it. Ito yung parang intramuros nila here sa Hong Kong. So Kowloon Walled City, alamin natin yung history. But basically, this is a park. So medyo nature walk ito mangyayari sa atin ngayon. And explore natin tong lugar na to. I think hanggang 11 PM itong place na to. So, para may pagoda. So, may auntie na nag-exercise doon. Puntahan natin tong isang maliit na, well, sa pagoda. Anyway, so lakarin muna natin to. Let's see kung ano meron. Pero maganda yung garden. May construction lang on the side, pero I think pinapaganda lalo nila yung lugar. Nakaka-relax. May iba naman tayo kasi lagi na tayong intramuros. So dito naman tayo sa Kowloon, sa Hong Kong. Balo ko dito pumunta kanina mga hapon. Pero Diyos ko naman, open na open. Mangingitim ako lalo nito. Parang ito ata yung gustong gawin ng Manila dati, no? Yung Aroseros, tsaka yung mga Mehan Garden. Parang ganito. It's doable eh. Hanggang doon pa yan sa kabila. So ito na yung entrance nila. Sa likod pala ako nang galing. Di pa sa atin sa Intramuros may ganito, yung parang Plaza San Diego. Ito yung itsura sa kanila ngayon. Yung entrance, ito yung old wall, old gate nila. So kagaya ng Singapore, itong Hong Kong mahilig din sa mga park. Gaya niya to. At okay naman, ang maganda dito na may maintain nila, tapos talagang inaalagaan nila in terms of design, architecture. Hindi mo siya may kitaan ng basura pakalat-kalat or what, or kahit upos ng yosi, wala akong nakita. So most people, nakikita ko dito, ang ginagawa nila, nag-exercise. Meron dong isang auntie na kita ko nagta-tai chi. Maraming mga uncle and auntie na nagwa-walking. Yan na, madami sila. It's family trip pag may naglalakad. Kaya na pamilyang ito. Kasi tahimik eh. I mean parang you're getting in touch with nature. Dito sa lugar na to. May ingay lang yung tunog ng construction. Saka yung basketball. Pero generally, okay naman siya. Tapos may wifi daw here. Check natin. May wifi tayo. Kasi for some reason yung roaming ko sa smart hindi gumagana ng maayos. Parang pahirapan. Kasi hindi siya gumagana. Maps lang yung gumagana. There's free internet. Inumin ko lang yung water. And then I'll go ahead. Ikot-ikot na ako. Kasi medyo late na. I think yung dinner namin is 7 PM. 5 PM na. So, kailangan ko na magmadali. Yun yung maganda sa nature eh. Parang pag nag-nature walk ka, you go to farm, yung somewhere na tahimik, you go to mountains, garden. Ang okay doon, it grounds ako lang naman, it grounds me. parang feeling ko ang tahimik, ang peaceful, tanggal stress. And ang maganda rin sa nature walk, it humbles you para makikita mo gaano kakaliit sa mundong ito. Gaano kalaki yung problema ng mundo versus sa problema mo. And it will make you realize na kayang-kaya mo lahat ng problema. Apparently, back in the day, there's a walled city dito sa Kowloon. And maraming naging issue, mga naging concern sa the demolition of the place. Ito yung itsura niya dati. Ito yung mga very old itsura niya. Siguro ito yung mga panahon pa nung mga ano pa para naging madaming issue and concern yung walled city na yun. Nagkaroon ng problema sa tubig, yung migrants, mga illegal settlers, and parang nahirapan siya i-maintain because so yung itsura niya back in the 80s, 90s. This institution, itong place, is a reminder of them that people once live here. So ganito yung itsura niya ng mga sinauna pa. So yung mga dating ito yung itsura ng mga dating tindahan. It's medicine. Mga medicines before. So yung mga butika in the back in the day. So yung mga conversation of them. Their conversations, nire-reenact nila. So, see, there's San Miguel. 7 Up. Diba, bida yung San Miguel natin dyan. Tapos may pizza pa. I think this is oh man.
Bye-bye. Ovaltine.
Ovaltine. Madami akong memories na ganito dati sa Palapan. Yung mga Chinese merchants nagtitinda ng mga gamit, ganon. Na Ate Shirley. Yan, yung yon dati. Ganito yung mga naalala kong itsura na. So in this place, actually, pwede mong pakinggan kung anong, aside from taking a look at what's happening or kung ano yung kanilang day-to-day life, pwede mo pakinggan kung ano yung mga usual conversations nila. Parang 80% doon ng Hong Kong, 80% na fishball supply ng Hong Kong dito nang gagaling. Yan, mga fishballs. Mga fishballs. So ito yung gawa na fishball dati. Hindi naman, akala mo umuusok, akala mo niluluto, pero ilaw lang yan. So ito yung paggawa ng fishball dati sa Kowloon. So ito may mga sharks, I don't know, ito, eel, I don't know. Eel, fishballs, Corn niluto yung fishball. This is the...
哎呀，你都係好事嘅，你炒啲事嘅咧，你炒呢個？咁你咩可以炸嘢？咩事啊？
So this is how the fishball factory look like that. This is how they make the fishball. It's their old cassette. It's a cassette here. So you can also hear the conversations. Let's check this one out. Dentistry. So this is how the dentist. So nabasa ko dati kanina doon na sa Kowloon Walled City marami siyang mga dentists magkakahilera before they demolish it. Tapos karamihan sa kanila walang lisensya. So nagbubunot sila ng walang lisensya. Pero meron silang ganitong facility. Ayan, sa mga dentist. So also check the other one. Barbershop. Sa mga barbershop dati, ganito yung itsura nila. So yung conversation, that's an actual conversation, reenacted conversation ng mga parlor. So dati pala may Head and Shoulders na the Joyce. Tapos this area represented yung mga dating dito, roast and char siu restaurant back in the day sa Kowloon Walled City before siya na-demolish. So ganyan yung itsura niya before. general merchandise. So basically, this Kowloon Walled City is an exhibit of ano yung itsura nung Kowloon back in the day, Kowloon Walled City. So ang ginawa nila, nag-put up sila nitong mga exhibit to replicate kung anong itsura nga nung bayan nila, nung Kowloon Walled City back in the day. So akala ko basic park lang siya. Yung pala, mas malalim pa yung ano. Para siyang it took you back in time. Ito yung itsura niya, medyo okay na. Before magkaroon ng high-rise. Yan yung itsura ng settlement nila. It's in my world. So this is before demolition. 1990, so 1993 they completely demolished. Tapos gagawing park. Naging ganyan. Ito pala yung itsura niya way back 1800s to 1920s. Complete farm.
That's all for your mini crew.
Sorry.
That's all
Just for me.
crew.
Just for me.
Yeah. YouTube, ah?
YouTube, yes.
Yeah.
So si Uncle kanina, chinikan niya ako. Hindi ko lang na video kasi nahihiya, ayaw niya magpa-video. Pero pinento niya sa akin, I can watch the movie. May movie daw nito, The Twilight in the Wall. The Twilight in Warrior, Walled In. So, panoorin ko daw yun para malaman ko yung buong history nito. That's it, Pansit. That's the end of the Kowloon Walled City trip. And exciting naman pala. Maganda yung background story. Pero I need to go. Babalik na ako ng Temple Street naman sa Jordan kasi may dinner kami. Kasama yung kapatid ko tsaka yung friends niya. Alright, see you. Going back to PST.